Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and today we're looking at a 2021 Forest River Sabre 37FLH. It's offered by 47 West Trailers in Troy, Missouri. Their contact information is listed below, as well as their website, as we check out the exterior of this coach. Here we can see one of the slides. So here are some of the vitals. It's sleeps 6, 5 slides, yes, 5 slides, and 1.5 baths. Exterior kitchen, you see right here. I'll give you some of the capacities. The unloaded weight is 11,948. Hitch capacity is 2,345 as we look at the refrigerator on the outside. Cargo capacity 2,717. Here's your fresh gray and black 49, 76, and 76. As you take a look at the jacks, that stabilizing jacks, and the tandem axle, wheels and tires. So you can see the slides right here, and as we step up into the coach, length is 42.2, overall height 13.5. Check out the floor plan. So you have a living area to the front of the RV, and we'll go up there here in a minute. Your kitchen and gathering room, and then your rear bathroom and bedroom. Real treat. Wait till you see it. Overall width is 8 feet, and awning is a 21-foot awning with LED lighting and power awning as we step up into the family area, family room. So you have dual opposing fold-out couches. That's where the 6 sleeping comes in. So you have 2 on each, and then the master bedroom. And then you also have the theater seating. And just a really nice, look at how high the ceilings are. You have ceiling fans, plenty of light, plenty of slide outs, plenty of cabinets. So the price on this is $68,600. And again, the contact information for 47 West Trailers is below, just in the data that's listed right below the video. You can see the flat screen TV, your entertainment system, fireplace, cabinets, and cabinets, as well as plenty of outlets, places to plug in your devices, video games, cell phones. Love the blinds on this as well, the black, and kind of cuts down on some of the glare. Plenty of room for sleeping, plenty of room for entertaining. This is an amazing RV. Here, wait till you see the master bedroom and bath. Here we go. So what do you think of this floor plan? Leave a comment below if you like this floor plan, where you have the family room to the front or the nose of the RV, and then the kitchen and dining area in the center, and then the rear bathroom and bedroom. There's one of the AC units. As we step down into the kitchen, so we have a dining to the left, we have a large kitchen island, French doors on the refrigerator and freezer below. So you have 4 seating. You can strap the chairs down to prevent the yard sale. And here we go. Look at this. A half bath. So this unit has 1.5 bathrooms, which is really nice. That way you don't have everyone tromping through the bedroom to get to the back bathroom. So you have this half bathroom here. And check out the kitchen. You have a nice sized pantry here, nice and deep pantry. Plenty of room for your Captain Crunch, Quisp, Quake cereal. There are a couple names you haven't heard in a while. Unless you're young, you don't even know what I'm talking about. Nice cabinet there for some larger pans that go in your oven, as well as your pizza pans on top. You have your microwave oven here. Very nice sized microwave oven. Real nice backsplash, as well as your 3-burner cooktop. And a nice size oven to put a roast or a turkey or a ham, whatever you feel like putting in there, bake a pie, a cake. Smell this RV up so when anyone comes over, they're ready to sit down and chow. Nice deep drawer to put your pots and pans in. And then you have a center island with a center farmer's sink. And what do you think of the color on this? Instead of a stainless steel, it's kind of a rusted or a burnt umber, maybe, color with the spray hand. And then you also have your hand sanitizer or your soap dispenser there. Nice deep drawers, fully deployable. Storage underneath the farmer's sink. Now with a deep sink like this, it does cut down on your storage. There's your electrical plug-in, so you can plug into city electricity. And again, you have 2 drawers, freezer drawers down below, as well as your French doors for your refrigerator. And then the rubber closures to prevent items from flying around when you're driving from your home to your camp spot or your camp spot to your home. Those straps accommodate both directions. Whatever direction you're driving, those straps will work. East, west, whatever's best, those straps will work. More pantry space or cabinet space. We have our cereal over there, so what would you put in this area? Leave your comments below what you put there. Here's a gathering area. You can put a flat screen TV here, or if you were like me, you'd come in, throw your cell phone down, your keys, you'd plug your cell phone in, and you'd leave it till you got home on Monday. No sense in making phone calls when you're out enjoying family time. Check out those lights, the light in, high ceiling. We're saving the best for last if you haven't figured that out. Additional pantry space. What's behind that door? Wait till you see what's on the other side of this door. You're in for a real treat. Well, hopefully the hype has been worth it when you see what we have in store here. So very nice and secluded. You have your master bedroom with your bath. You can keep this closed off when you're having guests over, or when you have your little ones running around. Nice size bed. You have little shelves there for your cell phone if you were of the mind to bring it into your bedroom. Better to leave it outside of the room. Spend quality time together. As we open up the drawers, the cabinets, we have plenty of hang-up clothes, his and hers or hers and hers, or hors-d'oeuvres. You can put hors-d'oeuvres in there, I guess, too. More hang-up clothes. Really a nice sized bedroom, master bedroom. Cabinet overhead cabinets on the slide out for the bed. So that's one of the slides, one of the 5 slides. As we step into the master bathroom, we have additional cabinet space here. Now this is pre-wired and pre-plumbed for a stackable washer and dryer, or you can leave it in this configuration and use it for additional storage, sweaters, hang up clothes, whatever works best for you. If you're only using the camper for weekends, you can just use that and don't need a stackable. You just bring your clothes and bring them home to wash them. Check out the stand-up shower with a bench and the handheld wand. You can put in the shower position or use it to spray down and clean up. I would say this shower is as big or maybe a little smaller than most residential showers. So it's plenty big. Plenty of height. So as we step out of the shower and take a look around, you have dual bowl sinks. You have his and hers medicine cabinets. And then we have a bank of cabinets that I'll show you here, but just an amazing amount of storage. So you not only do you have all the cabinets in the master bedroom, but you also have all these cabinets here. Now, they're not as deep as other cabinets in the RV, but they are deep, and they are, as you can see, there is plenty of room to put items and stow them. And it's funny how when you end up having an RV, you end up having so much stuff. This is a nice master bedroom and bathroom. This is amazing for an RV. So much room. Very impressive. What do you think about the amount of space in that bathroom? You could almost hold a square dance in here, but we'll come out and hold the square dance out here in the gathering room or up in the upper family room. Leave a comment below. What do you think of this RV? Give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and hit subscribe. Let us know what you think of the floor plan.